Welcome to my YouTube channel, God's Favor City Center. In this place, we learn how to build a website bit by bit. So let's dive into today's discussion. Today we'll be talking about lists in HTML documents. So let's start. First of all, let me give a short note. In HTML document, there are two ways of creating lists. We have the order list and unordered list. So let's start by creating a file, naming list, and start our simple coding. For example, under our folder web development, we create a new file, call the file links, add the extension HTML, we click enter, it create a first page for us to code. To generate the HTML document structure, we click shift 1, then our tab, we have the complete HTML document structure. I will give our web page a name, title, links in HTML, as the case may be. Then we continue. Conventionally, there are two ways of creating lists in HTML documents. They are the order list and the unordered list. Okay, so we are going to, let me put a paragraph there. There are two ways of creating HTML lists. Two ways of creating HTML lists. Okay, they are the order list and unordered list, as the case may be. Okay, the order list has an element OL, while the unordered list has an element UL, order list, as the case may be. So let's continue the first one. We'll create a new paragraph. This paragraph, what are we going to put? Okay, sorry, I didn't mean O, I miss E. Paragraph element. Good. Now, names of items found in Office. Okay, I want to start with the first one, order list. Remember, elements OL stand for order list. So after that, we use LI to create our list, LI to create a list. Then we start things found in offices, or things found in an office, or found in a singular, put it in an office. Okay, come back to this page. We have books. Okay, there is books in it. Sometimes we do find books in our office. Sometimes we have pen. Okay, we have found then we have what are the table? Well, okay, I prefer the word desk instead of table. Desk, the case may be. Ctrl X, we save our work. When we open our folder in the desktop, look for web development, as the case may be. Okay, it's web development. Then under it we have edits. Okay, there's list. Okay, there's already list in this space. See, there's list in this space. We created. You open it. You see our work. Now it's displaying our work for us to see. Good. See, two ways of creating HTML lists. They are, okay, I'll put the correct words. So there are lists and unordered lists. The order list has an element OL, while the unordered list has an element UL. Add names of items found in an office. Okay, so it conventionally or in conventional ways, the browser automatically number your list using numerals like 1, 2, 3. But you can also change this number to this way of listing to any style of yours. To do that, you simply come to this place. And let me correct this thing with the okay, to do that, we come to this place. In the opening element of the order list, we just type. Okay, in this place, we now choose either we should continue with numerals of alphabet or Roman figures, as the case may be. May I prefer alphabetical order starting from A? Okay, we'll go back to our browser. When we refresh our web page, see that the numbers here have changed from numerals to alphabetical order, as the case may be. So let's dive in to the order list, as the case may be. To create an order list, what do we do? Okay, let's put a paragraph. Let's say P. There's a paragraph element. Names of fruits, the case may be. Come to this place and create our order list UL. Place list item. And fruits, we have mango. Next we have orange. Next we have apple. Next, okay, the list here we have, yes, maybe then bit by bit. Here, Control X. So once we go back to our browser, refresh our page, names of fruit, mango, orange, apple, and pear, as the case may be. But we can also change the style method of listing here. Conventionally, by default, on order list, use bullet to list items. Conventionally, when you use an order list element to list an element on item, the browser will automatically read it using bullet to list the items because it's not following any order, it's on order. But we can also change the bullet to any other style like circle, square, as the case may be. To do that, we add a simple CSS style to the opening of the element order list, an order list. So what do we do here? Okay, we type style STYLE. Then we say style. Now list style type. Put it, and I ask you can select any of this in this place, any of this in this place. You can select square. You select square, Ctrl X. The bullet will automatically change to square. So let's open our browser as we have saved it. See that the bullet here have changed to X. Sometimes okay, you don't need S. Go back. Select okay. Let's put cycle. Do cycle. Ctrl X. Come back to our browser. Okay. Refresh, as the case may be. See that the listing have turned to cycle, as the case may be. So any of these things you put here, automatically it will generate for you. It will generate for you. If you can put decimal leading 0 of this, as the case may be. Let's try this and see how it will display. Ctrl S. Come back to this space. Okay, this is almost look like the bullets when it's cycle format. It's more like of the bullets. So let's put another type. Okay, let's use this. Ctrl S, as the case may be. So any format, any of the style you want to use, they are all unique and as the case may be. So this is how we differentiate between order list and unordered list in HTML documents. Please Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of this as we learn how to build a web page, website, dynamic website, page by page. Thank you and have a nice day.